Magluluto na? Oo, pwede na.
Okay na. You wanna ride?
Not yet done?
Nandahan.
Oh, be careful.
What's your head?
What head?
What head?
You're going back to school soon. You excited?
2 more weeks.
Yay. You're excited? You're gonna count lots of numbers there. You ready?
And lots of
And reading, you have to read lots of books.
Lots of paint.
Yeah, and lots of friends, new friends.
gisa na lang si grandma mo.
I don't know where it is.
Ano to, Jake?
Jay, you should drive the other one.
What? Shooting? What?
Hintay mo si Kenny, kalaro mo. Si Pandak.
Dala. What are the Is it big? Really?
Cold.
What?
The water's cold.
No, what did we are hot? I threw in the water. It's hot.
Oh.
Wow. Galing ah.
Higher.
Hot and quick.
Higher. Ganda pansa.
I-ano mo nga sandali. Kunin ko lang yung isang camera.
Higher. Sabi mo. Sabi mo, hola. Say hola. Wow.
Hula.
Say hola.
Stop touching me. Hula.
Back flip.
See? See, I got my pet.
3, 2, 1.
One more time.
3, 2, 1.
One more time.
Ay. 1, 2, 3.
Give me time.
1, 2, 3. Wow! Jump! Higher ah!
Oh, Ate Dong can play with you now.
No. Ayoko malaglag yung ano. Malaglag yung dugo.
Sige na ni.
You.
Anong you?
Wait.
Oh. Ay.
It's raining, Dilana.
Uh-oh. Should we go inside? It's raining again. You want your helmet?